Slicing lets you access parts of a string or another type. This is a list. This is slice 1 to 4. And this is a slice from the string Hello World. And this is a slice with all the letters at even positions. Double evens. Write a function that checks every other index in a string and returns true only if it contains any letter at least twice. This function takes a string, it slices the string to get each letter at alternative positions starting from position 1. Here, if any letter has a count of more than 1, it returns true. No letter repeats at even positions here, but here it does have 2 L's, and here it has 2 E's. 2 lists. Write a function that takes 2 lists of equal lengths and interleaves their values. So it takes one value from list 1, another from list 2, another from list 1, and so on until both lists exhaust. So this function takes 2 lists. It multiplies the first by 2 and calls it temp. In temp, the slice with alternative items is now assigned list 1, and now the alternative items, but starting at position 1, the even alternative items are assigned from list 2. Then we return temp. So 1 from list 1, A from list 2, 2 from list 1, and so on. The greatest. Write a function that takes in a list of integers and returns true only if for each value in the list, the sum of the previous values is lesser. This is the greatest function. For each item from the second to the last, it compares it to the sum of all the elements before it. For this sum, it uses the sum built-in function on a slice of this list. If for any value, the condition is dissatisfied, it makes the function return false. If it can make it through everything, it returns true. 2 plus 3 is 5, which is greater than 4. But 2 plus 3 is 5, less than 6. And 5 plus 6 is 11, less than 13. So this one gives us true. Divide and conquer. Write a function that takes in a word and a size and breaks it down into substrings of the given size. Here we use list comprehension to hold slices of this word. These slices are of given size. To create these slices, we begin from index 0 and go all the way until the end of the word. And a slice is from index to index plus size. So for size 3, when index is 0, the slice is from index 0 to 3. The indices 0, 1 and 2. For size 2, clueless breaks into these 5 strings. The last one is just a character long. For size 3, this word breaks apart into 3 strings. And for size 3, for the word fascinating, we have these 4 strings.